They tried to hurt you, hoping it would destroy your spirit. But what they don't know is this: the smartest way to destroy those who hurt you has nothing to do with revenge. 11. And everything to do with wisdom, silence, and self-respect. Watch till the end. These 45 truths will change how you deal with hurt forever. The best way to destroy someone who hurt you is to show them they no longer matter. When you heal, you take away the victory they thought they had. Hurt people try to hurt others. Strong people break the cycle. Psychology says silence is more powerful than retaliation. When you choose peace over revenge, you win a battle they never even understood.
Don't lower yourself to their level. Rise above. That's how you destroy them.
They wanted to see you broken. Instead, give them the sight of your strength. Your growth is the punishment they never saw coming. Destroy them. With indifference, nothing hurts more than being ignored. Their betrayal is a reflection of their character, not your worth. When you walk away, you force them to live with their own emptiness. Success is the sweetest revenge because it proves they couldn't stop you. Protect your peace like it's your greatest treasure. That's how you win. People hurt you when they can't control you. Don't hand them your power. Never waste your energy explaining yourself to someone committed to misunderstanding you. Their hate is often silent admiration for what they can't be. Strong souls destroy their enemies by forgiving them and forgetting them. The sharpest sword you have is self-respect. Use it to cut ties. When you rise above their insults, fall below. Every scar you carry is proof that they couldn't end your story. Psychology says closure doesn't come from them, it comes from within you. The smartest way to destroy those who hurt you is to live so powerfully that their memory becomes irrelevant. Let go of those who hurt you. Your peace is priceless. Success is the best revenge. Show them you are unstoppable. Silence speaks louder than words. Choose it wisely. Your scars prove strength, not weakness. Forgive but never return to the place that broke you. Protect your energy. Not everyone deserves it. Growth hurts, but staying stuck hurts more. Rise above insults. Your value is untouchable. Your happiness depends on you, not them. Let time heal what people couldn't. Weak souls hurt others. Strong souls break the cycle. What they say about you reflects them, not your worth. Walk away from those who try to control you. Your silence can destroy more than retaliation. Choose peace over revenge. Win battles they never knew existed. The strongest sword you have is self-respect. Use it. Let your success be the punishment they never saw coming. Every setback is a setup for a greater comeback. Don't explain yourself to those committed to misunderstanding you. Strong souls destroy enemies by forgiving and forgetting. Let go, grow, and make their memory irrelevant. Your power is in rising, not reacting. Who hurts you often reflects their own pain. Protect your peace like it's your greatest treasure. Your story continues despite their attempts to stop it. Hate is often silent admiration for what they can't be. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comments for this YouTube channel.